Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to give you a very quick container garden update slash tour because it's coming close to the end of the season and I want to show you what's left and kind of the mess that it is in right now, but let's go see it. Alright, up first we have all of our potatoes and I still have some really green tops on them, so I'm just kind of leaving them for now. My peppers are growing back from when I harvested them last time, so I still have lots of jalapenos. No more of the Carolina Reapers, but that's okay, they're really spicy. The carrots I don't think are quite ready yet. The parsnips I do need to check on because they're huge and bushy. Here's my ridiculous pumpkin vine that has creeped its way into the garden over there. We'll take a look at that in just a second. My poor cabbage, I don't know what happened, it just got eaten alive, I guess. You can tell on this one a lot better, all the bug holes, so sad cabbage, but that's okay. Over here in my accidental pumpkin patch, I have some really good sized pumpkins. I think I have about 8 total. You can see that one hiding in there, and then hiding in the garden are some right there. And I have some little baby ones coming on. I actually have a few blueberries that have, I don't know, they're tiny, but they're not dried up, so it's still doing something. So here's the end of the pumpkin vine, and it goes all the way through the weeds, all the way to the compost bin. This area is just a mess because I can't get in there to like weed whack any of my yucky grass that's growing in my mulch because the raspberries are growing over, the pumpkins are growing in, so we're just going to take care of this when everything dies off. My borage really took off. Oh my gosh, and look at this cute bumblebee. Oh, he's so cute. But yeah, my borage is just a self-seeded one from last summer. I didn't try to do it again, so this is all on its own. Look how tall. Ignore this weed, sorry. Like I said, I haven't been out here for a minute, but look at how tall these marigolds are getting. It's awesome. Oh, and the bees really like the marigolds. I have some really pretty marigolds over here, just some different varieties. My thyme and dill have gone crazy. Here's you can see my dill has flowered. Everything else like my kale has really just been eaten alive. Over here you can see how much grass has invaded my mulch. I really need to get in here and just take it all out, put new mulch down, but that's a job for another time. Here are my melon vines that have not done anything all summer. I actually had watermelons and things last summer, so not sure if they just got crowded out or if it was just a matter of not enough nutrients or what, but we'll keep trying. My snapdragons are still here. Got some funky little bugs on them, but lots of weeds have kind of grown up in the space. I've gotten kind of lazy with it because look, these are my cucumbers and they are sad and yellow and rotten. So I've just been a little discouraged. So things are kind of overgrowing. Plus school started, so you know, I'm just not out here as much as I want to be. I do have lots of cherry tomatoes still ripening. I have some bigger red tomatoes, kind of purpley tomatoes. My tomatillos are still going strong. This one actually feels ready. Oh yeah, they all kind of feel ready. So I need to get out here and harvest these because there are a lot of them on this big bush here. I'm still getting peppers. Like, look in here. Look at this gorgeous red pepper. Oh, beautiful. A few of them have sat here for a little too long, but I'm still getting peppers. There's lots of them right here, so that's really exciting. They just took a while to kind of get going. Then I've got my Amish paste tomatoes here, nice and red. Over on this side, I do have some kind of the, what are they called, heirloom tomatoes. Just a red tomato in there and more paste tomatoes there. The peppers are over here really doing well. I have lots and lots of jalapenos and they're getting these little scars on them. I think it's just because of the weather, but you know, they'll still taste fine. So I'm going to pull some of these off while I'm out here. A lot of them though, if you can see, have ripened on the vine and have turned red, so oops, they'll still taste fine. You can still eat them. Here are my favorite ones. These are cherry hots. Love these, and I have quite a few now, so that's exciting. More peppers. Look at my I think these are my Tabasco peppers. Look how many are on there. I am so excited to make hot sauce with these. Then oh, look at this giant jalapeno compared to the ones I just picked. Over here you can see all of my cayenne peppers that are nice and green, ready to ripen. Over here, I actually have some ripe cayenne peppers, so we'll grab those too. Over here, the mulch is getting just riddled with grass and weeds, so I'm gonna have kind of a tough time getting through all this. Like, look at this big thing of crabgrass growing in my pot. Oh, hate it. But my trees, my lime, my lemon, my fig, my laurel are getting really nice and healthy. My pumpkins on a stick are orange and so cute. The flowers over there are starting to kind of die out, but they are still so gorgeous. Ground cherries are still going strong. This weed is taller than I am, so it tells you how meticulous I have been, not at pulling weeds. My nasturtium have finally flowered. They have been nice and green all summer, but now they're finally getting some flowers on them. I am gonna do something with the leaves because they are a really good peppery flavor. I have more of these really pretty pink flowers. My yellow cleome or cleome, however you say it, are coming in. Some of them have already lost their petals. A lot of my rudbeckia have lost their petals, but oh look, there's another pretty bee. But some of them are still flowering, so that's exciting. This is my really cool Oscar flower, and the seed pods are my favorite part about this. They look like little balloons, like they're puffy, but these are the seed pods, and look how many there are on this plant. And it's so tall. It's taller than I am, and I'm 6 feet tall. So it's blooming. It's really pretty. I'm so excited that it came up. My bean trellis that fell over in the storm, you can see I didn't really fix it. But the beans must have like snapped at the base because they have been this purple color for weeks and weeks, or they just turn this brown color and die. So I'm really sad because these were such prolific growers last year, and I had green beans galore, and I haven't had any this year. This was the onion bed. Now it's just a bed of weeds. So yeah. But yeah, that's kind of it for the garden. Everything's kind of winding down. I haven't really probably taken care of it as best I could have since school started, but we're still getting things. I'm still getting harvests, and I'm still having fun, so that's all that matters. So if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.